Hey guys, it's James and welcome back to my channel. Did you forget to hit that subscribe button? Hit the like button, turn on your notification. We're giving videos every single week. I'd like to welcome you to Mississippi Coroner's Facts or Fiction. Now, as you can imagine, that the thing that we talk about are very sensitive on this channel because it deals with death. However, I'd like to welcome you back again today, and I have another video for you. Now, today we're going to be talking about, in my opinion, a very important organization in the state of Mississippi. And I hope that you would never need their services. I hope that you never need my services. Okay, but in spite of, we still have to be knowledgeable of the things that can and will occur in our state. Tonight we're talking about the Mississippi Department of Child Protective Services. This is an important organization in the state of Mississippi, and we'll talk about what they do and how it involves the coroner's office. Are you ready? Let's do this. So guys, I wanted to talk about this subject today because I personally have experienced in my career many cases involving children. But I can assure you that the state of Mississippi takes the death of a child very seriously, okay? But I want to talk about the Mississippi Department of Child Protection Services. Now, they conduct investigation and provide services when reports or suspected abuse, neglect, or exploitation of children are made. This also includes the death of a child. Now, according to Mississippi Code annotated 43-21-353, and I need you to hear this. Any person who has reason to suspect the abuse and or neglect of a child must make a report to the Mississippi Centralized Intake Office. Now, this is a 24-hour hotline. I have a number up on the board and I have a website up on the board. However, I apologize that I did not research to see if those numbers was current, but I can assure you that if you will just ask for this particular service, Mississippi Department of Child Protective Services, any number that are not correct will probably be given to you. Okay, and the website that you would need to go to is reportabuse.mdcps.mississippi.gov. I am sure if this doesn't work, you always contact your local law enforcement agency for any type of neglect of a child. All right. Now, in the state of Mississippi, there are mandated reporters. These are people who the state say you must report regardless how you feel about it, okay? Which means that these reporters are required by law to make a report, which includes an attorney, a physician, a dentist, anyone working an intern at some business, a nurse, psychologist, social workers, family members, child caregivers, ministers and pastors, law enforcement officers, or public or private school employees, or any other professional who become aware of information leading them to believe abuse, neglect, or death has taken place on a child. Now, There is a special investigation unit that investigates fatality that involve children in the state of Mississippi. Sure, your local law enforcement, your county coroner will conduct investigation, but the death of a child which is under the age of 2 years old, there was a separate investigation when it comes to neglect or abuse or death of these children. Okay. Oftentimes I have contacted them. You can contact your local DHS. But when it comes to DHS, they have a job to do and they do it well. However, the Mississippi Department of Child Protective Services make DHS look like Boy Scout. That's right. These people have badges and these people will get the job done. They will come after you. No child in the state of Mississippi or any other state deserve to be abused or neglected. Okay? There is a no tolerant policy when it comes to children. And there you have it. Hey guys, I'm back. Hey, listen. Mississippi Department of Child Protective Services is an organization that will help prosecute those who are guilty and those who are negligent in the care of children in the state of Mississippi, especially those children under the age of 2. Now, it may be hard for some of you to accept what I'm talking about, but just think about a helpless child who can't do anything for themselves. It's a very serious thing. But I want you to remember the list of people. If you're a minister, or I don't care if you're a bus driver, if you are a school employee, if you are someone who's mowing the lawn or working on a pool, it doesn't matter if you see neglect or abuse, you have the right to report that abuse to the local law enforcement agency and subsequently to the Mississippi Department of Child Protective Services. Children are special. They are our future. Let's take care of them. And until next time, we out.